Welcome. Today I am with Huawei Soundjoy and I'm going to show you how you can connect this speaker to your Android smartphone. We will use AI Live application. It's the Huawei brand app for wireless devices. So at the first, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data on our smartphone, and then we have to smoothly move to the Play Store. Right now we have to type AI Live. That's the application that we have to get. So just click install. Right now we can open, accept all of these permissions, and we have to get the latest version of this application. So let's click update, select right here, click on the settings, select this switcher to allow install apps from unknown sources, select install, and right now we can open this application. Click next, agree, accept another permissions, and right now we have to tap right here and select our country region. It's very important. The next step, we have to log in to our Huawei account. So let's click to log in. Right now input your data. If you don't have account right here, we have to use the register button, but I'm gonna just simply input my private data. So let me just hide a little bit my phone. Okay, and when you input data, you have to tap to login. I will get the verification code on my email address, so I'm gonna tap get code. And as you can see, the verification was sent to my Gmail account. So right now I'm gonna open my mail. Okay, and here I have this login, this code. So we have to copy. Then just simply switch to the application and input this code right here. Okay, as you can see, right now we are connected. And that's the speaker that I previously connected, so I'm gonna remove it. And right now we are going to set up this device with our smartphone. So you have to rotate like that, find this control panel, we have to click power button once. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, so when this Bluetooth button is blinking, it means that our speaker is in the pairing mode. So we can simply pair it with our device, with our smartphone. Let me just put it like that. So right now we have to click to add the device. You have to enable location services, tap on the switcher, go back. And now, just wait. We can also check if the Bluetooth is enabled or it's disabled. So let's enable Bluetooth on your phone. So remember to enable Bluetooth and the location. And after a few seconds, Huawei Soundjoy appears on the list. So we have to select connect. Right now we can rename this device. Select our room. I'm gonna put it, for example, into the office. Click OK. Right now tap on the device, and after a few seconds we will be probably connected. So let's take a look what is going to happen. We can check this control panel. Looks like our device still is in the pairing mode. Okay, I think it takes too much time, so we can just go back. Let's try to enter one more time. Okay, and as you can see right now, we are connected. So let's, for example, play something like this one. Okay, our device is not playing sound, so we have to check it out in the Bluetooth settings probably. Okay, let's select our device, accept pairing, and let's take a look right now.
Już to lato, matury wszystkie są zdane. Podbija do mnie laska, ja czysto.
Okay, and right now the device is paired with our Android smartphone. So honestly, it wasn't that easy, to be honest. I used a lot of different Bluetooth speakers, and all of these steps, it was a little bit complicated, to be honest, because in the most cases, when you pair your device with the brand application, you will be able to use your device. So right here we got, I don't know, maybe some kind of the bug, and they will probably fix it in the next updates. But I hope that they will improve the connection between the speaker, brand application. So yeah, but as you can see, it works, and that's how you can connect this speaker to your Huawei Sound Joy. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.